This is my kitty, Sassy. Okay. Okay. Look what she's watching. She's watching TV, see? Hi, Sassy. Isn't she adorable? Sassy. Hi. Hi, kitty. Hi, pretty baby. Yes.
Are now entombed within her steel hull. I truly believe that there's something like a repeating tape loop. Maybe there's energy that you just kind of keep seeing repeated over and over again. I absolutely believe the ship is haunted.
She sits in the weirdest
Has
position.
the dubious honor of having the highest suicide rate in the Navy. Some eyewitnesses today have claimed to see an apparition hanging at the other end of a rope right here in the forecastle. They have a lot of instances of
Yeah, she's watching TV.
who get Dear John letter or don't get along with their shipmates, and you can't get off the ship, and you're kind of forced to be with people pretty much up to 15 hours a day. So there is a high occurrence of suicide, and one of the most common kinds is they hang themselves. There was a sailor who committed suicide and he hung himself in this area here. Though now resting peacefully in its new home, during World War II,
She loved
the
me.
Hornet was stationed within 30 miles of the Japanese coastline. There was apparently a Japanese kamikaze pilot who, during World War II, was actually captured. His plane missed the boat, and they kept him in the brig, and apparently he died on the ship.
She is just like a dog. She name is Sassy. She's just like a dog. She likes a belly rub. She drinks out of the toilet. She knows how to sit when I say sit. Knows how to come when I say come. She's like another doggy, but a mini version of a doggy. See, I love how she lives. Look. Alright, that's it for now. Bye bye. Sassy, say bye bye. Sassy. Say bye.